Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Dodge's 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove or lift your bed out of the way. With a 13mm socket and wrench, remove the top bolt from your sway bar. Then, remove the bottom bolt with a 16mm socket. Once the bolts are removed, push your sway bar out of the way. Cut off the factory rear sway bar link bracket and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the area with a walled-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement rear sway bar link bracket and hold it up to the frame using the factory part silhouette to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your bracket onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 4. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend a Rustbuster rust converter and primer spray paint. Finally, reinstall the sway bar using the included hardware. Use a 13mm socket for the top bolt and a 16mm socket for the bottom bolt. Once secured, reinstall the bed. Then you're done!